Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is soda bread rolls. Making good bread at home seems like leaving your pint unfinished when you're going home from the pub. You know, it's feasibly possible but never seems to happen. But this recipe is different. It turned out exactly as we wanted. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found down below. Okay, the first thing we do is sieve the flour, salt and baking soda into a bowl. It has to be baking soda, not baking powder. I don't know what the difference is, but there is one. Next we add the buttermilk and mix through. When you've added the buttermilk, it's time to get in with your hands and mix until it all starts to come together. You're not looking to knead it, just until it comes together. Then place on a floured surface and divide it into 4 equal parts. Tip: if you can't seem to find your dough scraper, check your wife out and use it to get rid of the frost of the windscreen in the winter, because that's where mine was. Okay, after you divided the dough into 4 pieces, roughly form into roll shapes and off to a well floured baking tray. Then using a sharp knife, put a cut in the top of each of the rolls. Then it's off to 180 degrees C oven for 30 minutes. There you have it, soda bread rolls, the easiest bread recipe we know. We had these with our herby chicken burgers. Maybe you should take a look at that recipe. We hope you like this recipe. Feel free to subscribe, share and like and hit the notification bell. And maybe we'll see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.